Moratuwa, a charming coastal city in Sri Lanka, offers visitors a mix of cultural heritage, vibrant local life, and scenic beaches. Whether you are here for a year, business, or a short getaway, the city's hotels provide comfort, convenience, and warm hospitality. From luxury beach resorts to cozy budget stays, Moratuwa has accommodation options for every traveler. Here's a list of the top 10 hotels in Moratuwa to help plan your stay. The first one is the Sandals by Edwards Collection. This beachfront property offers serene escape with stunning views of the Indian Ocean. The rooms are elegantly designed with modern amenities and guests can enjoy direct beach access. The on-site restaurants serve delicious seafood and local specialties, perfect for a romantic evening. It's a great choice for honeymooners and those seeking a peaceful holiday experience. The second one is the Bangalore Moratuwa. Set in a tranquil neighborhood, the Bangalore offers homely comfort with spacious rooms and personalized service. The property features lush garden, cozy dining area, and relaxing lounge. Guests appreciate its peaceful atmosphere while being close to the city's main attractions. It's ideal for families and small groups. The third one is Thotipula Lakeside Resort. Located by the scenic Volgoda Lake, this resort offers a blend of nature and comfort. The rooms are bright and airy with private balconies overlooking the water. Guests can enjoy activities like boating, fishing, and bird watching. The peaceful setting makes it perfect for a rejuvenating retreat. The fourth one is Reef House Moratuwa, a stylish boutique hotel with a unique blend of modern and colonial design. Each room is tastefully decorated, offering comfort and luxury. The outdoor pool and sun terrace provide a relaxing environment while the staff ensures personalized attention for all guests. The fifth one is Serene Bolgoda Lake Resort. Situated on the banks of Bolgoda Lake, this resort is a heaven for nature lovers. The spacious rooms come with scenic lake views, and the property features a large pool and water sport activities. It's a great place for couples, families, and adventure seekers alike. The next one is Ocean Breeze Hotel. Just steps away from the beach, Ocean Breeze offer comfortable accommodation with a touch of tropical charm. Guests can enjoy fresh seafood at the in-house restaurant and spend evening watching sunset by the shore. Its prime location make it easy to explore nearby attractions. The next one is Balgoda Layer Resort. Known for its peaceful lakeside setting, the resort is ideal for relaxation. It offers modern room, an outdoor pool, and a range of activities like kayaking and fishing. The friendly staff and excellent food make it a favorite among repeat visitors. The eighth one is Golden Sun Guest House, a budget-friendly option without compromising comfort. Golden Sun offers clean and cozy rooms with basic amenities. The property is close to the beach and local restaurants, making it convenient for travelers on a tight budget. The second last is Lakeview Villa Moratuba. This private villa offers a homely stay with stunning views of Valgoda Lake. Guests can enjoy a peaceful environment, spacious rooms, and a well-equipped kitchen for self-catering. It's perfect for families and long-stay travelers looking for privacy. The last one is Paradise Beach House, a charming beachfront guest house that provides simple yet comfortable accommodations. Guests love its laid-back atmosphere, friendly host, and proximity to local markets and cafes. The sound of wave creates a soothing backdrop for a relaxing holiday. Moratuwa offers a range of hotels to suit every budget and preference, from luxurious lakefront resorts to cozy beachfront guest houses. Whether you are here for adventure, relaxation, or cultural exploration, you will find a place that feels like home, with warm Sri Lankan hospitality and beautiful natural surroundings. Your stay in the Moratuwa will be truly memorable.